What is blog and why people are blogging? Blog is a platform either free or paid that allows people to share their views, opinion, or just about anything they like. When I started blogging, I did it solely just for fun. It was my favorite pastime. The dictionary meaning as per Google, blog is a regularly updated website or web page, so we now know that to be a successful blogger, we need to have an updated website with new content almost every day. Okay, why blogging? If you ask this question to yourself, you should be able to tell that. You are blogging because you are passionate about it. You need to find a purpose behind blogging. You may be blogging about sports, new technological advancements, science, vacation, or just documenting your life events. Also, you may want to blog to make yourself known to everyone. You want your views and opinion to be heard. Or you want to know what your critics might have to say about your views. Or simply, you may be blogging just to have fun and learn new things on the go. From my personal experience, I gained so much just by starting out as a blogger back in the year 2005. As I progressed, I learned about free blogging sites like Wordpress, Tumblr, Blogger.com, etc. Furthermore, I discovered what SEO is, what PageRank or guest blogging is. I got to know about web hosting and how to choose one for blogging. In the rest of the course, I will touch on each of these discoveries for best blogging experience.